Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic Italian-style gelato. Unlike ice cream, gelato uses less cream and often no egg yolks, resulting in a lower fat content. It's also churned at a slower speed, incorporating less air. This creates a denser, silkier texture and allows the true flavors to shine through more intensely. We'll guide you through each step to achieve this delightful frozen treat at home. Crafting perfect gelato begins with understanding the right balance of ingredients. You'll typically use a higher proportion of whole milk, around 60 to 70%, with a smaller amount of heavy cream, perhaps 5 to 10%. Sugar, usually 15 to 20%, is vital not just for sweetness, but also for its anti-freezing properties, ensuring a scoopable texture. Sometimes, a tiny amount of stabilizer helps achieve that signature smoothness. Once your ingredients are measured, combine the milk, cream, and sugar in a saucepan. Gently heat the mixture, stirring continuously until it reaches approximately 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not boil it. This pasteurization step helps dissolve the sugar and meld the flavors. After heating, immediately chill the base in an ice bath, then refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight for optimal results. Now for the exciting part, churning. Pour your thoroughly chilled gelato base into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, gelato is churned slower than ice cream, resulting in less air and a denser, more intense flavor. Once churned, you can enjoy it immediately for a softer texture or transfer it to a container and freeze for a firmer scoop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.